Hello everyone, welcome to Chemazon-Complete Chemistry. So in today's video we are going to solve the 8th question. Let us first read the question. Among the following, a biomolecule with a direct metal carbon bond is. So this is from which chapter? From Bio-inorganic chemistry. This is asked from Bio-inorganic chemistry. Now 4 different structures are asked. Now you can solve this question only if you know the structure of all these 4 compounds. Okay, whether they have a direct metal carbon bond or not. So if you know the structure, you answer this question, or else you can leave this question. That would be better. Otherwise you will get a negative marking of 0.33. It is a 1 mark question. Okay, so let us see one by one the structures of all the compounds. First is coenzyme B12. Now in coenzyme B12, what is the basic structure? What is the basic structure called as? It is called as Corin ring. Okay, sometimes this can be asked for 1 mark in 1 mark section. Corin ring, it is a derivative of porphine ring. We will see the structure of porphine in a while. So this is a structure of coenzyme B12. I know it looks complicated. We have to find what? We have to find the metal carbon bond. We have to find the metal carbon bond. First find out which is the metal in this structure. So in this entire structure you can see there is only one metal, that is cobalt. Okay, cobalt, is it directly attached to any carbon atom? These 4 are nitrogens. Here also this is nitrogen, but here you can see this is the carbon. Okay, so here there is a cobalt carbon bond that is present. That is why this is the correct option. Let us also see the structure of other compounds. Nitrogenase enzyme. This is an enzyme involved in nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation. Let us see the structure. This is a nitrogenase enzyme. In this, which are the metal? Iron is a metal. So let us first mark all the metal atoms. So all the iron, you can see it is attached to sulfur. So that is why this is also called as iron sulfur cluster. Okay, it is a type of iron cluster, iron sulfur cluster. And this is also a metal. So you can see all the irons are attached to sulfur. Okay, there is no metal carbon bond. Molybdenum is also metal. It is attached to nitrogen. Okay, we want a metal and a carbon bond. Here we have metal sulfur bond and metal nitrogen bond. So this is also not the correct answer. Let us see the third option. Chlorophyll, the basic structure is chlorine. This is the structure of chlorophyll, which is the metal here, magnesium. You can see it is attached to 4 nitrogen atoms. And ligand, L is what? L is histidine. Histidine also, it is attached to nitrogen atom. So it is a metal nitrogen bond. Here this is oxygen. So here also there is no metal carbon bond. Okay, there is no metal carbon bond. So chlorophyll is also incorrect option. Last one, hemoglobin. This is the basic structure. This is not the complete structure. There are substituents to this side ring. This is called as porphyrin ring. Porphyrin. Okay, with the substituents it is called as porphyrin. There are several substituents. Okay, but without the substituent, this structure that you can see around iron, this is called as, okay, let me use other color. Okay, this portion leaving the iron metal, this ring is called as porphyrin ring. Okay, so in hemoglobin also you can see there is only one metal atom, iron, that is attached to nitrogen, 4 nitrogens of the porphyrin system and 1 nitrogen of, this is what? This is histidine. This is an amino acid, that is histidine. A structure, it is not an amino acid, it is a structure that is called histidine. So here also you can see there is a metal nitrogen bond, but we want metal carbon bond. So this is also not the correct answer. So the only correct answer is what? It is option 1, coenzyme B12. So the correct answer is option A. I hope you have understood the structure and explanation of this question. Thank you.